Okay, so today we're going to be doing some feathers for this guy over here. So I found basically some nice feathers on Google. It's gone now, sorry. But just Google images, fantail feathers. And so now I open up in Photoshop. I'm just kind of gonna use the lasso tool to get rid of all this extra white spot. And that's just gonna make the whole thing very nice and clear to read. Doesn't have to be perfect, just think of the idea. Just going all around. And now, in this image, the feathers are kind of together. So, I'll probably just use them as a big block of feathers instead of separating them out individually. That's what I do here. Oops. There we go. And just come around the side. We're really not going for perfection. So it's okay if you miss bits or take too much off. What is important is making sure that the background layer is transparent, because that'll be really important later when we're putting the feathers on the guy. This part's a little bit tedious, but it's kind of relaxing too. Okay, let's check if there's anywhere we missed by just putting a black background layer on here. A couple of places, so that's honestly pretty okay. It'll give us some interest when we start using the translucency settings. You just want to get rid of most of the floaty bits or areas like this. That looks good. I like that. Okay. So let's save this. And it's probably phoenix feathers actually. Since technically Cato is a phoenix, type Kitakari. Hey, he looks stupid right now. That's okay. And his eyes are actually the right color, so that's nice. Alright, so I already have a frill section set up, and it looks like this. This sort of object encompasses the frill feathers, the head feathers, the face, the teeth, and oddly enough, the feathers in the back. I don't know why those are there, but there they are. I have a separate object for all like the fuzz around the body, and the eyes are separate objects as well. Okay. So let's go about creating the object for the feathers. Let's scale it up and then apply the new rotation and scale. Going into orthographic mode, number pad 1 to go to the front view, and then 8 to go to the top view, 6 times just to move it that way. It's kind of like, yeah, you'll figure it out. Anyways, so then U to unwrap it, and then we can subdivide it. Let's say, yeah, twice looks good. Oops. Okay. There, that's nice. So, let's open up a new image. Nope, that's not what I want to do. I want to open up an existing image. Kitakari, Phoenix, feathers. I really need to organize this. It's getting a bit crazy. Okay. So how does this look? I need a material. So what we're going to do is use the image of Phoenix feathers that I just made like that. And I'm also going to mix that with a translucency shader, which basically allows light to come through. I'm going to set that color to this right here, just because it looks nice. And then, another mix shader. This one will actually go down here. And I'll add that with a transparency shader. And what that will do is basically using the alpha, which is the transparency information from the PNG I just made. I'll plug that into the factor. So transparent in the top one, the color information to the bottom one. I now have this sort of very nice thing over here. And it's a bit too translucenty, so I'll turn that down a bit. And so it looks kind of like that. There. Nice. And what I'm also going to do, just because I like to have a lot of say in what's going on, and RGB curves to that one. So it looks like this. So color is going through here, to here, to here, where it mixes with the translucent. And then that's mixed with the transparent shader, which is getting information from the alpha channel, or the transparency of the PNG. Whoa. There we go. I'm going to darken this up a little bit. That looks nice. Okay. What is wrong with my mouse? Something is wrong. Okay. So that's that. Let's make it a little bit bendy. I'm turning proportional editing on. To get a good idea of what's up. There we go. Nice. And we'll smooth it out. Perfect. Might be a bit too far. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Okay. So, I'll make a duplicate of this. And let's move it using the M key to layer 1, where I have everything else. And here, I'm going to join it to the existing sort of frill section. And I can go into edit mode, press L to grab this. Oh, it's so slow because I have the particle system activated. Oops. Ah. There we go. That's fast. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at what he's supposed to look like. Where are you, Cato? There you are. So he's got this nice, big, frilly ridge of cool phoenix feathers. Nope. No, none of that. So let's get that turned. That looks good. And rotate it like that. Be a bit big, so let's go there. And we'll move it up. Yeah, definitely too big. Let's get out of orthographic view so I can see what it's actually going to look like. It's definitely got like a bend that way. I'm going to scale it up this way actually just because. There we go. Nice. Okay. And then just Shift D. Alright, this is clearly the slow way to do it. It's just tough because I made the plane a little bit big, which is okay. Now we're just going. That looks really good, actually. Nice. Okay. He's got a bit more going on. A little party in the back section. All the way down to his sort of shoulder area. Just like that. And let's bring some out this way. And you know, he even has a little bit going on kind of by his head. So make sure that's clear. Nice. Yeah, a lot of it's just sort of pushing and pulling of stuff around. Whoa. You know what? He might be a bit too red. Let's put some magenta in here. Too red. Maybe some blue. Alright, what am I affecting? Oh, I see what's up. I'm using the wrong thing. That's what's wrong. Like, it doesn't feel like making any difference. And would you look at that, I wasn't. The reason is I was in this one, not this one. There we go. There we go. Yeah, we're too red. Could put more magenta in here. That didn't work. That's what I wanted. Oh, that looks much better. Cool. Nice. Yeah, these ones up here are definitely too big. Pressing L to grab them. Bring them in. Tame this a little bit. This beautiful, elegant monstrosity. There we go. It's this one here that looks strange. It's just too deep in, no. Yes. It was just too deep in the side of him. How does this look? Well, it certainly looks cool, that's for sure. Alright. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is take all these new frills, duplicate them, Shift DX, Control M, X to flip them that way, and then just move them like this. And let's take a look how those look. Whoa. looks cool. What's up with this? Why are they doing that? What's up? Oh, I see. Gotta recalculate this. Don't approve. What's going on here? Why is this happening? That's okay. I'll just do it in post-process. I actually have no idea what's up. It's a mystery. Anyways, so now what I'm going to do, because he has the red stuff up front, and then in the back, in his tail, he's got a lot of the same sort of thing going on, but black. So I'm going to get out of edit mode, create another phoenix feather, make it phoenix feather dark. Drac, whatever, doesn't matter. It's all just for my reference anyways. You can use this nice little color over here and lower that right down. I might need to put in a saturation node just because. 0.2 perhaps. And why is it suddenly, oh, it's I have the cyan too high. Let's turn the value down to 0.3. Nah. Oh, I see what happened here. Oh well. Anyways, so going back into this mode here, I'm gonna take some of these front ones. I'm gonna assign it to Phoenix with a Drac assign. And I'm just gonna put these at the base of his body. Okay. What have I done here? Okay, I see. Just needs a bit of blue. And a little bit less light. And they're pretty dark, to be honest, so. Here we go. It's kind of hard to see what's going on. That's okay. You know, why is this happening? If I remove these, what happens? Okay. So it's just some of these are just being funny. Maybe I only really need, yeah, the one side. That'll do. Why is it not happening with the front ones? I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Oh well, it looks cool. Heh, there's Rawl down there. Alright. Cool. And now same thing with the tail. Oop, that's not what I wanted. Nope. 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 heck are they? What did I do? Oh, you know what it is. I'm in texture mode and not material mode. I was grabbing the right one all along. All right. All right. There we go. Now we're just gonna put these like this. Cool. And grab them all. Duplicate. Make them small. That's how it look. Cool. Once again, it's doing that weird blocky thing. That's okay. Once again, this is a job for post-editing. Alright. Alright, so that is Cato's feathers for now. And obviously, when I go through on Photoshop, he'll end up looking pretty different. The feathers will be just drawn in a little bit more nicely. One thing I am missing is his face. I'm going to do that, but off camera. So that is how I do fancy feathers. Okay.